Are you getting login errors for the Instagram app? Hi there! Here's a complete guide on how to solve login errors on Instagram on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet. Often poor or unstable internet can cause these issues. To solve internet, enable airplane mode. Wait for 30 seconds. Now turn it back on. After solving your internet, double check your password and username. Many times, when you enter the wrong uppercase or lowercase or even the number or later, you can have these issues. Solution 2. Offload the Instagram app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Instagram app. Tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app. Solution 3. Refresh the Instagram app background. Open Settings, search in the search bar, Instagram. After that, tap on Instagram and turn on or off the background app refresh option. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. Tap and hold the Instagram app until the option. Now tap on Remove App, and after that, tap on Delete App, and your app will be uninstalled. And now open the App Store. Search Instagram and tap on Download. After downloading, open it and try to log in. So this is how you can solve the Instagram login error. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.